Hey guys, it's Tomatoda. Today, I'm going to be doing a VOGRACE sticker review. I'll be reviewing every type of die-cut stickers they have, except for the brushed silver because it was not available at the time I ordered, and the transfer stickers because they are still not available. All the stickers today will be 1.5 inches for the longest length with a transparent background. The image itself is the only thing with color. And as you can see, I did not draw in any of the cut lines. VOGRACE does that for you. Also, just like I said in my last VOGRACE video, they sent me these for free to review, so I did not pay for any of these stickers. Now let's begin. First, we have the regular vinyl stickers. They're just regular basic stickers, but vinyl. The colors are very bright and they stick well. As you can see, the border is just white and the sticker is opaque, so it'll stand out when you stick them on dark background colors. Next is the vinyl holographic sticker in broken glass lamination. I mentioned in my last video that I wasn't a big fan of their broken glass lamination on their acrylic charms, but on their stickers, I actually do really like them. What it seems like is basically they took the regular vinyl stickers and put a holo lamination on top. In person, the holo lamination does mute the colors just a tiny bit, but the overall sticker pops out because of the holographic reflection. So what I'm trying to say is that instead of the focus being only on the art in the center, the focus is scattered to the whole surface of the sticker because of the holographic, if that makes sense. Then is the vinyl holographic sticker in heart holo lamination. When you move the sticker around, the heart gradually moves smaller to larger rather than just being like bam bam bling bling. And if you've noticed, the back of these stickers don't have one of those easy peel off slits, but they still peel off very well without any difficulty, so the slit isn't needed, but just thought I'd mention that in case you were expecting a slit. Last of the vinyl stickers is the star holo lamination. This holo is very bam bam in your face, like it's bursting with energy. I've never considered how each lamination could affect the mood of the sticker, but after seeing how calm the heart lamination made me feel and how exciting the star lamination is, they definitely give off a different vibe. Moving on, these are the clear stickers. It's a plasticky type material and the border is obviously clear. And the image itself is also pretty transparent. On camera, it looks like the dark background doesn't affect the sticker that much, but in real life, the dark background does make the sticker harder to see. Also, I noticed that the colors on this sticker is a little bit more saturated than my original artwork. You can tell it's a bit darker. Not terrible, but definitely noticeable. Now we have the holographic stickers. Unlike the vinyl stickers from before, the holographic isn't a lamination that's put on top. It's actually a layer underneath the image. And you can tell here that the image itself isn't holographic, it's just the borders, right? However, you can make the image holographic according to their website. If you make your files semi-transparent, the holo effect underneath will shine through. Unfortunately, I didn't see this info until I made my order, so I can't really show you guys, I'm sorry. I wish I knew before. But these stickers are opaque ones, so they stand out well against dark backgrounds. And like the clear stickers, I could tell that the colors of these were also a little bit more saturated than the file I submitted, especially in the face area. Then we have glitter stickers. Of all the holo bling bling shiny stickers that I'll be reviewing today, this one is my favorite. The glitters are round and it kind of gives off a bokeh effect in photos, if you know what I mean. The colors on this one are also slightly more saturated, but in this instance, I think it actually helped the look. It looks better this way, so I'll call it a happy event. I do have a theory of why certain sticker types came out more saturated, but I'll touch on that towards the end of this video. Anyways, it is also an opaque sticker, so no worries with the dark backgrounds. These are the prismatic stickers. And although the colors on this one is also a little more saturated, just like the glitter stickers, I think it actually helped the look of my art. Either way, the printing itself is amazing, and these prismatic stickers remind me of the 90s when me and my friends had sticker books, and during recess in elementary school, we would trade stickers. The prismatic type stickers, along with the furry stickers, were really popular, so they get you pretty far. Next are the mirror stickers. If you hold something close enough, you can actually really see the reflections. I was surprised that the title was true to its words. But you have to hold it close. It's also opaque, so dark backgrounds are no problem, and just like the last 4 stickers, the print is also a tad more saturated. When I went through this batch though, I found 2 stickers that were pretty scratched up, but everything else was fine. And in case I forgot to mention before, I got 50 of each stickers, so only 2 were scratched and 48 of them were fine. Now is my favorite sticker ever, the static cling. I was so curious about this because when you hear static cling, you kind of think of saran wrap, right? Or at least I did, and guess what? It really is static cling. The back of the sticker isn't sticky and it won't stick onto rough or porous surfaces. It only sticks onto smooth, non-porous surfaces. Also, it's restickable. How fucking awesome is that? The image part has a white base layer, you can see if you flip it over, so even if you stick it onto a dark background, it'll still pop out while the borders remain clear. The colors on this sticker are actually perfect. It's exactly like the file I submitted, so this gets like a 5 stars out of 5 for me. Next are the kraft paper stickers. The colors on these stickers are absolutely perfect as well. They look just like my artwork. The border here is the color of the kraft paper, and as you can see, it's really similar to the cream color that I colored my Meowth with. I didn't mean to do that, but I'm telling you guys so you don't get confused and think that Meowth was a transparent image file, because it wasn't. It's also opaque, so fuck you, dark backgrounds. And because it's kraft paper, they have no shine to them, and well, it feels like paper. I think they are very lovely stickers, and I'd say that they're actually my second favorite type. This is the frosted sticker. Honestly, I'm very whatever about these because they don't seem very different compared to the clear stickers. Like, it's exactly like the clear stickers except with a little bit of texture. It's just a little bit more bumpy. It's not even rough or velvety to the touch like how most matted coatings feel. And when you stick them onto things, it doesn't look any more frosted than the clear stickers either. If you can't tell, this is my least favorite type of sticker that VOGRACE has. But it does work as a sticker. Moving on is the brushed gold. As you can see, the border is like a shiny gold that looks like it's brushed on, or kind of like a scratchy gold because you see streaks. It is an opaque sticker and they do have a silver version of these too, but unfortunately it wasn't available when I made my order. So just imagine this, but in silver. And I want to let you guys know that the colors are a little bit more saturated here as well. I just want to mention this just so you guys know what to expect when you order certain sticker types. Last of the die cut stickers are the washi stickers. I was surprised at first because I expected them to be like washi tape, which feels like paper on the surface. But when I touched these stickers, they had a thin plastic layer on top. When I peeled it off the backing though, I could definitely tell that it was washi tape material for sure. But when it's flatly laid on something, the glossy front side just really threw me off. The sticker is just a little bit harder to see on dark backgrounds, but I think it's because it's pretty thin paper like how most washi tapes are, right? You can see that the white border is thin white paper. In terms of color, I think it actually matches my original artwork pretty well. Now, this isn't a die cut sticker, but I did order a sticker sheet. To be honest, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing or what I should do with a sticker sheet, but I really wanted to try it out and to see it in person and to show you guys too. I got it in 3 by 5 inches, clear sticker version with just a default nothing background. I didn't do any of the cut lines myself. I just submitted my file and VOGRACE did it for me. But besides the saturated colors, because this is the clear sticker, I think they came out really good. The stickers are cut perfectly, the print is great, and they stick well. After I received this, I got an inspiration. So I designed this, and I already ordered it yesterday in the static cling version because I was just so excited. I love my VOGRACE stickers. Anyways, that is all the stickers that I have. Now, in terms of the slightly saturated colors, this is my theory. As I said before, you can submit your images in a semi-transparent state for the hollow or shiny stickers. And when you take an image and lower the opacity, the saturation is also lessened. So in order to keep the sticker vibrant but still semi-transparent, they have to increase the saturation. However, I think that the extra saturation might have been applied to the files that were already at 100% opacity, which would make the 100% opacity images even more saturated. So if I did order stickers that were semi-transparent and let the bling bling layer underneath shine through, the colors probably would have been perfect, I think. And I guess the clear and frosted stickers might also fall into that category too, because you can make them semi-transparent and more transparent, right? It's clear. I don't know, this is just a theory. Either way, it has enhanced like half of my art, and the other half is just a little bit more darker than I would like. If you guys have any experience with this or even your own theories, let me know in the comments below. I just think that it kind of makes it hard to gauge the results of your order. But maybe it's just a me problem and you guys don't see an issue with this. Overall though, I think VOGRACE has great stickers. They're sturdy, they stick well, the print is great, lots of variety to choose from, no need to draw your own cut lines, they are cut very well, and last but not least, the price is very nice. Although I'm not sure what their shipping price would be since you can't see it until you purchase. But don't forget, if you order in bulk, you can get discounts. Anyways, that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you VOGRACE for the opportunity to try your stickers. It was very fun. See you guys next week. Bye bye!